Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this ConvoBots review. Now for those of you out there who are trying to drive any kind of traffic to your site, to your offers, to get inside of your email list, this product is definitely for you. The reason for that is ConvoBots is going to enable you to create interactive landing pages that are going to sort of have pre-written kind of chats with your customers, with your audience, people who land on that page, and they're going to be able to select different options. The interactivity, the kind of gamification is always great for engagement, and I'm really excited about this product. Today we're going to take a deep dive into it. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, and as well as that, I've also thrown together a premium bundle of my own bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with ConvoBots to ensure that you really succeed with it, and any problems that I've kind of anticipated you might have, those gaps will be filled as well. So before we get into that, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you want to be updated with new products coming out like this all the time that are going to help you to find success online. Also, if at any moment during this video you want to jump ahead and check it all out just on your own, make sure you first click the link in the description, because what that will do is first send you off to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way this page works is it is integrated with the official ConvoBots website. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons here, it locks in your bonuses before sending you off to the ConvoBots website. And if you do decide to go with it, you're not only going to get ConvoBots, but you're going to get all these extra tools that are going to ensure you're going to succeed, thrown in with it in a big bundle that you can access immediately. So ConvoBots is definitely something that is gonna, I think you're really gonna see the difference. If you're currently working with, just a standard landing page, I feel this is definitely gonna drive more engagement purely because of the nature of how it works. Now, for those of you who think it's a cool product, but you haven't really got started with an online business, maybe you're trying to get going with an online business, maybe you're already doing something, but you haven't seen any returns, and you think ConvoBots might help, but you kind of feel like you're lacking a bit of foundation, I've thrown in my book, The 30-Minute Purpose Business. This is a step-by-step blueprint, very quick to read. You just go through it, you follow each step, and that is ultimately what I did and what I've kind of refined over the years. And if you just follow these steps, you're going to have a strong fundamental base of how to build an online business, and any tools like ConvoBots that you use on top of that in order to drive traffic, it's going to work a lot better because you have that stronger foundation. You know what niche you're in, you've asked yourself the right questions, you've built up the right kind of website and things like that. So this is going to help you, especially if you are new, to utilize any of these cool products like ConvoBots that are coming out. Bonus number 2, I've thrown in my mega traffic series Unleashed premium bonus. This won't be thrown in as a bonus for much longer because I've just thrown everything and the kitchen sink into this product as far as getting traffic goes. Traffic is the biggest milestone. If you're going to use ConvoBots and you don't have any audience and you don't know how to get traffic, the saying build it and they will come is not true online. Okay, you can't just build up a site, even if it is interactive, even if it does have gamification, and expect people are just going to find it. There's something like 1 billion sites built every day or something like that. So this is going to go into how to drive traffic using SEO, using social media, and using a lot of unknown kind of traffic hats, all white hat of course, that a lot of people don't know about. I've paid thousands in training to get access to this kind of information, and I've thrown it in here so you do not struggle with getting traffic to your pages. The next bonus is going to go into what happens after you find success with ConvoBots. So with ConvoBots, what you're doing is you're having this interaction with potential visitors, audience members, whatever you want to call it. And what your ultimate goal should be there is to capture them. So ConvoBots is going to decrease your bounce rate. And what that means is when people visit, they don't just look at your page and go, I don't like it, and then leave, okay? You don't want a high bounce rate. What you want to do is capture that audience. So even if they do come, check it out and leave, you've captured their email address. So you're able to re-engage with that person. This training goes into 2 parts: how to build a successful lead magnet so you are attracting people and you make people stay on your page, and then in conjunction with ConvoBots, that's just going to be really, really easy for you now. And the second part is how to, once you have those people in your email list, how to grow a list, how to nurture a list, how to communicate with your list so that you turn your email list into a profitable asset, which should be one of your primary goals. Bonus number 4 is gonna really go into how you're communicating with your audience when they land on your page. So this training goes into really the basic tenets of copywriting. And if you just know some basic tenets of copy, you're gonna see your conversions massively increase. Most people, are not kind of born or naturally have the ability to talk in a way that sells, to talk in a way that compels people, talks to the emotions of people. So just learning a bit of copy and shifting that paradigm in your head of the way you communicate with your audience, so you're establishing yourself as the cure to their pain points and really talking to them, that's going to make them to make decisions that you want them to make on your page. It's going to make them sign up. It's going to make them buy. So this is going to help you with that, to help you to really optimize even your conversations that you're having with ConvoBot. Bonus number 5 is, again, for you newbies out there, if you want to use ConvoBot, but you haven't even set up a website yet, and you want to know how to set up a website in the right way, set up a website that, positions yourself to make passive income down the line, but that's something that you can also use ConvoBots on. This is going to help you to take that first step with creating a website, with creating a blog that you can, then put whatever you want on there, content, put a store on there, affiliate links, reviews, videos, whatever you want. And so for those new guys out there, you want to set up a website in the right way. You're not sure which host to go with, you're not sure, which email to go with, all that kind of stuff. All those questions are answered in this premium training. All of the vendor bonuses will also be thrown in. Any that are available will also be thrown into this bundle. So if that all sounds good to you, is step 1, link in the description. Go to this page, lock in these tools with these green buttons. That will send you off to the ConvoBots website, which looks like this. This is the pre-launch site, but when it launches, you'll get the main sales page. Go through that, make a more informed decision, check out everything that you need to look at, functions, features, demos, testimonials, all that good stuff. If you do decide to go with it, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this one here. And under the green button will be ConvoBots. Under the blue button, all those extra tools that are going to ensure your success. My email's here if you have any problems. Now keep your eye on this countdown timer. This is all in line with the launch week. So with the launch week, you are going to get these premium bonuses, and you may get also discounts activated when you click these green buttons as well. So basically make an informed decision, but the sooner you get in, the way more you're going to get for free, and the way more chance you're going to have at success. Okay, so with that in mind, let's dive into ConvoBots. Let's see what it's all about.
Now, here's the dashboard, but before I go through and show you all the fantastic things included in the dashboard, I want to first show you a campaign that I just built. So here's an example of a conversational bot I built for a salon business. The page is clear with no distractions, and we exactly know what we need to do. First, we have 2 options, English and French, and we have to choose our language. Let's click on English for now. This takes us to the next conversation with 2 more options. Yes, tell me more, and no, thank you. Let's select yes, tell me more here. In a similar way, you can lead your viewers by the hand to exactly where you want them to go. It's like making the visitors feel in control, but still lead them wherever you want them to go. So, when we choose yes, we go to this video and it asks us to choose our hairstyle from this video. Instead of just forcing a video on the visitor, here we let them decide if they want to watch the video. Next, there is an image and a rating scale in the conversation for engagement. Here comes the important part of the conversation, lead generation. As I am engaged in the conversation, the bot prompts me for my email address and redirects me to a page where I can actually pick a product or book the service. Let's go back to the top and choose French. It greets us with a welcome message and asks us for more of our details. Everything, including the option titles of the form, is in French. Interesting, right? This way you can reach prospects in their preferred language by giving them the choice and personalizing their experience. So, that's a perfect example of how this conversation creates a tailored experience based on the options we choose. We can also go back to English by clicking on the menu. We can use forms instead of normal email to collect multiple pieces of information, like first name, last name, phone number, etc. And yeah, did I miss out on the response-based giveaway? We can even entice with giveaways based on the response. This was the campaign I built. Interesting, isn't it? Let's head to the dashboard and see how we can set up a campaign just as I did. So here we're on the dashboard and we're going to set up a campaign. Let's click on the Create button, and this takes us to the template section. We can go ahead and select one template. We've got different templates like color templates, animated templates, image templates, and video templates. Let's choose this template and click Select to use that template. Next, Stop is entering my conversation screen. So, to begin, learn how I triple my income with this new strategy. That's going to be our first piece of conversation. We're going to add a button right here, and it's going to be, yes, I want to know more. We can see it creates the button right in front of their eyes. Easy to use, really intuitive, and eye-catchy. We can check the Add to Header menu option to make it easy for your viewers to go to that option. This makes this section go right on top, and then the users can click it anytime to get redirected to that section. We can also add testimonials and ratings for feedback. All the elements will be under the plus button on the right-hand side. Now, we're going to go ahead over here and create our next button because we want to give multiple options. This one is going to be no thanks. Okay, now here are the buttons are set up. We're going to now go to enter the next piece of conversation here, which is watch the video I made especially for you. And then we're going to insert a video. This is where we're going to just insert the embed code for our YouTube video. It pulls it directly from YouTube just like that. Now we're going to say, do you want to know more? Then enter your email address here. Come over here to Conversations, and then we're going to select Email ID, allowing them to enter and save it. We can also have a form here and collect crucial data about the visitor. At the bottom of the form, we can see an autoresponder button. We can choose a specific list to move our leads to that list. And so that shows how easy it is to set up a campaign. We have our logo right here at the top where it says company name on the left. On the right-hand side of the editor, we have a separate dashboard to customize the bot. Let's head to the settings first. We have three options under General. Scroll on top gives a small button to the user to go to the top of the screen. Then we have Reset Chat and Track Revisitors. Track Revisitors will allow visitors either to continue from where they left or start fresh. We can have terms and conditions and privacy policy on your footer. Language settings allow us to change predefined text to the language of your choice. Then we've got design settings. We can change our logo, bot image, background color, and also the font style here. Let's change the background image and the button color. We can have gradients, images, or even videos to set as background. We can also change the color of the header. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? We can straight away preview or publish our bot from the editor itself. Let's come back over here to the dashboard and we can see the new campaign that we just set on the left-hand side. Clicking Actions will give us options to edit, clone, and delete. Let's click the campaign and see what we can do. We see the statistics where we will have all the respondents' details. We will have all the autoresponders, Facebook, meta tags, retargeting code sections here. All these settings are specific to a particular campaign. Clicking on links will show multiple options to publish the bot. So this is about our dashboard. Okay, let's go to integrations and we can see all the fantastic integrations we have with ConvoBots, and with a click of a button, we can connect our autoresponder and start collecting leads inside. Really fantastic there. And that shows us just how easy ConvoBots really is to use.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. You're looking forward to getting your hands on ConvoBots, seeing what it can do for you, along with those bonuses, which are going to help you to fill in any problems that you have with ConvoBots. That was my goal with that bonus bundle. Now, really quick, if you go through to the bonus page again, through that link in the description, there's a bit of a write-up here on what you can expect, kind of like the funnel. So the front end is really everything you see here, and they've really unlocked most, if not all, of the main functionality. You do only need the front end to get access to the bonus bundle. So don't feel like you need all these one-time offers, but everyone's different, and I just don't want you to be surprised because these will be offered to you during the buying process. So that's everything there in the front end. You can come and check this table out. There's also the Pro version, which just gives you a lot more media elements like templates, images, video. We've got chat widget customization, split text pages. You can add voice, and a couple more functions that as you're going through the buying process, you'll be able to see those in more detail, but you don't have to go with it. We've got the Done For You pack. So they're going to create bot campaigns for you, 50 niche-based Done For You ConvoBot campaigns. So you don't even need to, set up the chat and set up the options when people click, and then where do they go after that. They've already set it up for you. And then the last option is the reseller license. So if you believe in ConvoBots as a product, maybe you don't want to use its functionality, but maybe you want to resell it on as your own product and keep all the profits, then that option is available there. And obviously it's $397 because they've worked hard to create this. Okay, so figure out which one is right for you. Everybody's different. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments. Hit me up on social media, or my email is fine as well. And if not, enjoy ConvoBots. Those bonuses are definitely going to help you out. Just take action. All the best, and I'll see you next time. Take care.